Right
or
now.
you want to go middle end.
This is grand finale.
Or you want to start in the middle and go to the end. We'll go to the end. I end in the middle because the middle's got the biggest shit in it.
Why don't you just do one at a time? Here we go, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen.
You want to go up there and start recording it?
I'm recording right now. We're 14 seconds into it.
Right there, Carol. All right, go.
Here we go.
You're missing it. Well.
Okay, watch your face now. Get back.
My stuff's out.
There we go, grand finale.
Yeah, give me a lot.
Woo! Watch out, Jeffro. Jeffro, you can catch on fire, man. Look at this. Golly, boy. Look at all that shit. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Watch your eyeballs, Jeffro. Damn, boy. You can create a forest fire out here tonight. There goes Jeffro, still lighting them. Jeffro, hold on, buddy. They're all lit, dude. Whee! Holy shit, this is a grand finale! Happy New Year! Look at Jeffro getting hit over there. Watch out, Jeffro. Damn. Holy shit, it's dangerous. Look at Jeff, man. He's a pyro. He's an original pyro. Check him out. Jeffro, you need to poke your eyeball out, man. Man. Holy shit. Yeah, come on. Okay, woo.
Just like that, the British slam.
The Grand Slam.
Just like that, the British slam.
Where's my lighter at?
The British Slam.
Where's that barrel lighter? Where's that barrel lighter?
That's classic, Corey.
Right here we didn't get.
Y'all probably missed some of them now.
It ain't 4th of July, but damn if it don't remind me.
Yeah.
Close.
I'd like to make me a couple sticks of dynamite.
I know, right? Go fishing and shit.
That was at the house. Dad said when they was in Carrollton, back in the 40s, they used to take a damn pine tree and climb up it. And back then you could own dynamite. And they'd take a half a stick of dynamite and let them blow a damn pine tree. And wrap the dynamite, put a long fuse on it, and wrap the damn dynamite, and that tree'd go up like that. And then pine air, and that damn dynamite go. Dad said you could hear that damn thing for 25
Damn.
miles.
I bet. My dad's telling me similar stories when he used to go dynamite fishing.
No, this is just up there. They're celebrating 4th of July now.
Yeah. Yeah. We got it all on camera, too.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
All on camera.
Now we got something to slow down on that damn fire. So these folks are slow down, sure they cooking. Y'all missed it.
Yep, we had the show over here.
That was good, man.
Am I right or wrong?
Appreciate that, y'all.
Yeah, it was cool, y'all. And just like that, The new year has begun.